another interest say Women Development Bank. I'm for Busao because minimum say we share budget no na omo dedicate amount to be the ma that fund. Say eno na be share ho komodie ba bebre. Do you are making progress be?
Definitely. President Mama, the promise was simple. Say the government will provide the seed fund.
Yeah.
Have the seed fund been provided or not?
I mean books. Share
it has been done.
Yeah, share budget
54 million Ghana
share budget no that allocation has been done.
Indeed, there are major conversations with partnership with some banks to roll it out. I'm not forecasting for 54 million in your bank. Meanwhile, the promise was to create a seed fund. What's the meaning of a seed fund? It is to be a platform and the government has delivered on it. What you say? As for banks, there, we have a record of setting up banks. Exim Bank was it not set up by President Mama? What you say? Yeah, bank da. You can't just say a Women Development Bank. Only what you say? And it will be done. Just like we said, Rome was not built in a day. NPP 4 at a 10 months government, 8 months, 80 years government. What you say? SIA is asymmetrical. What we have achieved in the last 10 months, no, the NPP could not achieve that in 2017. What you say? And we must be clear. What you say?
I see. Mami.